All right. Hello everyone. Can you hear me? If you can hear me, please indicate.
We can hear you, sir. Loud and clear.
Good. Welcome to the Gen AI Builders Lab. My name is Anas from Teenovators, and I'm here with my fellow team member Sani Shazili. Before we start, can we have an introduction from at least five people? Yes, five of our fellow Teenovators. If you would like to introduce yourself, kindly raise your hand up.
Let me call.
All right. Okay. Victor Chinodu, can you introduce yourself, please?
Okay. Good day, everyone. My name is
Good day.
Ogem Victor Chinedu. I'm a 200 level computer science student from the.
Mama,
Hello.
We are
Lucien
listening.
Gbomima.
If you are not speaking on a call, kindly mute yourself, please.
Okay, I should go on.
Yes.
Yes, you can.
My name is Ogem Victor Chinedu. Like I said, 200 level student, computer science, Federal University of Technology, Owerri. Currently listening from Port Harcourt, River State. Thank you.
Welcome. Next person, please. Welcome, Chinedu. Can anybody speak? Um, does anyone want to introduce themselves?
So since they chose not to introduce themselves, I'll just go
All
on.
right.
Hear me, please.
Yes, we can hear you, Shazil.
Okay. My name is Sani Shazili, and I'm one of the Teenovatex leads. So I'm also a student of the University of Lagos, and well, I'm a software engineer, and I'm part of the Teenovatex leads. So it's nice to be here.
Um, so before we start, I would like you guys to know that this is not this is not a lecture. We are building live. We are not having a lecture where we just be doing theories. We are building while learning. So if you think you came here to just listen to lectures, this is not what I'm here. So we will start now, and I would want you guys to go to follow through what we are doing. And if you don't need to know everything, you just need to follow the flow. And note that if you get stuck, just stay with us. We will regroup. And there is a live stream going on. So if you get stuck in somewhere important, you can always go back to the live stream after the call and continue and see and regroup and know where you get stuck and fix it. So what are we building today? Um, we are building a real AI app, something functional that you can actually use and something you can share yourself, something you can add to your portfolio and do a lot with it. We are starting from scratch and we are finishing with a live link, something live, something you can share to anybody, anywhere, something that can be viewed by millions of people. And as I said earlier, we are also starting from scratch. We are starting with
Ernest, you're not audible. Ernest, did you mute yourself? Ernest, we can't hear you. Can any other person hear him?
I can hear you, Shaz. Are you sure I'm not sitting in the call?
Okay, let me check if he's on the call. He's still
I
on the
can't
call.
hear him. I can't hear him.
Okay, but he's on the call. The Teenovators lab.
Probably you can continue while he's not here.
He's using the Teenovators labs link and he's still on the call. So why he's not okay? Let me just take over if he's not available. So I'll just share my screen. So as he said, like this is not a tutorial. This is not a lecture class or something. So it's just how you can get that idea on your head, how you can get it into like. So I'll just proceed to share my screen now. So okay. So just confirm if you can see my screen.
Yeah, we can.
All right. So basically what we
Put
are
it in the
doing.
presentation mode.
Can you see the screen?
Yes, 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 yes.
Yeah,
All right.
yeah, we can see you.
Okay. Let me just zoom out. I'll just make it into presentation. Okay. Can you still see it?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay. Uh, I want to confirm the kind of view you guys are seeing. Are you guys seeing it in a big form?
Not really.
What's your
This
okay?
should be how it will be.
Okay, let me
We're
just share
actually
my
Can
seeing
see
it exactly like you are
see
sharing your screen.
all of
Exactly this way your screen is. That's how we are seeing it.
okay, hold on. What's currently showing on my screen now?
What you are building today?
Okay, fantastic. So basically, what we are building today is just how you can leverage AI tools to build your application. So I know every crazy teenager has that idea in their head, and then like you just don't know how to build, and then when you go online you see that you have to learn how to code from no, you necessarily do not have to like learn every syntax, every language or whatever tools to code. There are AI tools that you can just use use to code. Okay, I think Anas is talking on the group. I will just reply him. So, yeah. So basically, on this call, what we are just doing is, it will be very very practical. No much slide and all that. So you just want to see, okay, how can you get all those ideas in your head from prompting to real application and links that you can share. So like that's basically the goal of today. So what are the tools we'll be using on the call? Basically the tech stack that you'll be learning today is just how to use Google Cloud. So Google Cloud is don't be scared or don't be afraid by the name. Google Cloud is just a storage where once you build your website you'll be able to host your website or whatever you build, whether it's is a web app or whatever you build. So it's basically an application where you can like you can host your website. So whenever you share somebody the link, they can test it. So this is an opportunity for those that will want to like start bombing hackathons next year or this year, sorry, this year, this 2026. So it's an opportunity for those that want to start going for hackathons this year. So basically you can just build an application with AI and it's totally free. So basically the tech stack will be learning today is just Google Cloud, Firebase Studio, Google AI Studio, and and Cloud Run. So we'll also be looking at Vessel. So if Google Cloud is not working, you can use your Vessel, use your Vessel, um, use your Vessel to host. So I think Anas is back now. I think you can go on from here. Anas, I'll just share my screen while you continue talking. Can you share my screen, Anas? Unmute yourself and speak.
Yes, yes, I can see your screen.
Okay, fantastic.
So can you move to the next slide? All right. So I would like you all to go to the link on this slide to get your free Google Cloud credits.
Okay, let me just copy the link. Let me just send the link to the message.
It will be sent to the group and yeah. So this link gives you free Google Cloud credits. So you don't have to add your cards and you don't have to pay to use Google Cloud.
So okay, hold on. I think I need to share all my screen so you guys can see it live. I can see how I'm also going through it now. So basically, we are providing you with Google Cloud free credit, like using the link. So all you just need to do is use the link. I'm coming. My laptop won't fuck up. Oh. Let me just chill. Okay. Mm, okay. Let me just hold on a bit. My laptop is not responding. So can Anas, can you share the link on the group, please?
Okay, I will send the link to the group chat now. Will you
You can
um
Send it to the in-call message on
send it
this
to the
meeting.
in-call message.
okay. That will be better. All right. Hold on. Um I just saw that the credits program is not currently
Is
open.
out. Yes, yes.
Okay, yeah, we can continue without it. Let's move
Okay,
on. Go back to the
okay then.
slide.
Please let me. I need to reshare all my screen. So
I think it
stop.
is shared.
No, I'm sharing. I need to share my entire screen so you guys can see everything on me. Okay, all right. So I think I'm sharing it now. We can proceed.
All right. Go back to the slide, please.
Please hold on. So my laptop might be lagging because I'm streaming on YouTube and at the same time I'm presenting. Okay.
How about Anna's take full control over so
All
we
right.
can
All
follow?
right.
Okay, move to the next slide.
So you don't need to try using Google Cloud Credits. We'll just get started with other things we are doing and then we'll just move on from there.
Uh, so Shazili, can you please go to studio.firebase.google.com and I'll send it to the chat so everyone can go there on their laptops.
Okay. So meaning that like the first application we are learning today is how to build with Firebase Studio, right?
Yes, Firebase Studio.
All right. So you can just send the link to the group so they can
I
studio.firebase
have I sent it to the call
link to
chat
start.
dot
Okay.
google.com.
So if you are joining with your laptop, it will be very, very convenient if you are joining with your laptop. So just go to studio.firebase. How many people is joining with their laptop? How many people?
If you have joined, kindly raise up your hand. Keep typing the link, please. No, studio.firebase.google.com, Shazili. Okay,
All right.
two people have joined. The link is on the callchats.com.
And if you are not able, if you are not with your laptop currently, or you are not able to test it, or you are not able to use your laptop to test what we are doing, so you can just follow along, and then when when you get access to a laptop, you can go back to the YouTube video, rewatch and practice whatever we did here. So now we are in Google Firebase Studio. So Google Fire, okay, Anas, just continue.
So Firebase Studio is our AI assisted development environment, not Firebase itself. The normal Firebase is for managing your backend services, but this Firebase Studio is an AI assistant that builds apps for you. If you have visited it, you will see a chatbot that wants you to give it your prompt and it will build for you. So what we will do now is every one of you who is on the call, you just give it any prompts of any idea that comes to your mind. Shazili, you can give it a prompt. Give it a prompt. Let's not
Um,
work with the same
let's let,
prompts.
let- let's have somebody on the call give us an idea of what we should build.
If
Can
someone else,
can someone just give us can someone just give us an idea of what to build? Just say anything, or do you have any idea you have in your head of an application or something? Just mention it so we can just go ahead and build it right now.
shall go back to the. If you have an idea, raise up your hand, please. Yasin, Hassan, can you speak?
Okay, yeah. Can you hear me now?
Yes, we can hear you.
All right. So the idea that I have is that we should build an app that it will automatically assist farmers. It will assist farmers to to water their plant like automatically and without them being there, without any human input. So this is how the apps will actually work. So we are going to use this logic we are going to use logical input as our symbol. So we can use probably the and input, that is when, let's say we have a sensor about four corners of the farmland. Then when all of this sector, when it is dry, then automatically there will be supply of water, like there will be a tank that will supply water through hose. Then when everything too is zero, then the water will close, something like that, sir.
Okay. Very good idea. Can you type it on the chat screen so it will be easy for Shazili to copy and paste it in his own.
Kọ́ tó ṣe fún yẹn, kọ́ tó ṣe wọ́n ti 200 million. Àwọn ẹ̀ka ó ní ọ̀nà kó máa ṣàwọn àmì ṣàbàṣẹ́ lọ́dẹ̀ tó lè ń pè.
If you are not speaking, if you are not speaking, turn off your mic, please. All right. Can you type it on the Hassan? Can you type it on the call?
Yes, I'm typing it.
Okay, that's good.
Anas, you can mute everybody in the
Yes.
call. You can mute everybody in the call if there is an interruption. And someone has
Yeah, I'm currently doing that.
Anas, have you muted the person?
Yes, I have.
All right. Okay. Someone said an edu app like Duolingo where you can upload your note and it breaks the note and makes it interactive and easy to understand.
So, Shazili, you know what? If
Yes.
so people who are giving their ideas,
Yes.
this is a very good thing. You that you are typing your idea, you should use your idea as your own prompts. Do you understand?
All right.
So
All right.
we are using the one Hassan gave us as the one on the call. But if you have your own idea, use it as your own. Don't use our own. It will be better for you. It will increase your learning pace by using something you came up with yourself. So you know, let's all go like that. What do you guys think?
Yeah, definitely.
Yes.
You can just use whatever idea is in your head. Whatever you can use your respective ideas. You don't have to follow what we are building. So the point is that you just see what we are building, and then you just start with it. So everybody should just use their ideas. So for the Teenovatex labs, what idea should we use? We can just take someone's idea out of here.
Take Hassan's idea. Hassan,
Idea. Okay, okay. An app that allows farmers to automatically wait.
water
Let me
their farmland.
I'm coming. Just hold on. I want to record something. So an app that allows farmers to automatically water their farmland using logical input. So okay, let me copy that. So another person said a digital diary that is used to save memories. Okay, fantastic. So if you are on the call,
Wow.
and this makes sense. Also, if you're on the call and you have it a laptop, so you can just there'll be a time we'll allow you to like share
Improve
your and all that. But yeah, for now, you can just go to
improve
studio.firebase.com.
prompts. Try to improve
So
his prompts.
let me try to improve the prompt. So it will have a more structured this thing.
Because you know you have to prompt the AI with something it has to understand the first prompt. While
So
prompting, your first prompt is everything. If your first prompt is not as good, the entire app won't be as good as you want it to be. So that first prompt is the most important thing. You have to give it something long. So Shazili, you have something to say or you want to move on?
so
Okay.
basically, like because AI understands AI better, so you understand what you want to build, right? But when you use AI to define your prompt,
Okay.
it basically improves it such that you have a better output. So now that we have our prompt is did you define what a prompt is? A prompt is
Hassan wants to speak. Can
okay.
wait. Let's
Hassan, you can
Hassan.
unmute yourself and speak.
Okay, okay. Yeah, so I think I did not explain that very well. So maybe so I can give you like a more details about the app, what it's going to do, so I can add it to the prompt. So the things the app is actually going to work on is there will be sensors. Like it's literally going to work like a logic input. So let's say we have farms are usually in square or rectangle format. So we have a sensor in about four location or 4 points. So this is what it does. So when the sensor detect that there is no water in all of the four, so there is this logical input that when all our input are zero, then the output will also be zero. So no matter our input. So then that means that when everything is zero 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 zero, then our output is going to what? Is going to automatically supply water. Then our output oh sorry, when the input is one, that is when there is water in everything, then automatically it will stop. There will be no supply of water. But if it is actually zero zero zero, that there is no water on that farmland, so that is when there will be automatically supply. There will be automatic water supply at that farmland. So that's
Okay.
what I'm.
So basically, you know what the idea you have now is dependent on hardware. So basically there will be an hardware somewhere. So what we will now do now is we will simulate the hardware. We'll assume that there's an hardware somewhere imputed in the farmland, and then once we receive signal from the sensors, and then our app will just simulate that. I understand what you are saying. So I think this prompt do justice to that. Let us go ahead with prototype. Do you have a name? Do you have a name for the idea? The name of the app should be what? What should we name it? Yes, what should be the name?
Agroscan.
Agroscan. Okay. All right. Agroscan. So we'll just go ahead now prototype. So our AI is doing the magic for us. So for context again, you can studio.firebase.google.com is a tool where you can build whatever idea you have in your head using using AI. So currently now, you can do it on your phone, but it's not so convenient. But you can still access the website. So the link will be shared on the group, and then you can also go to the YouTube link to get a link to access the video back again. So what's currently happening now is that the AI gives after we sent the prompt, the AI gave a blueprint. Look at what it said. It said conditional watering rules, set automated watering schedules, real-time field status, manual watering override, detailed irrigation logs, and all that. So look at the colors. We can even customize the color. So Hassan, do you have any color? So look at the tech stack. He's using TypeScript. TypeScript is a form of
Um,
programming language using Next.js and Tailwind CSS. So all these things you don't have to know it
so
specifically. Just continue, Anas.
so can you scroll to the top? You can see you can customize. You can customize everything about it. When you click on customize, it will give you the option to it will give you the option to choose what you want. You can change the features, change the colors, you can change the stack, you can add AI integrations to it, and do a lot. So I think we would not change anything here. We should just save and prototype. So let's go on Shazili. Shazili, let's continue.
Yes, are you on the call? Are you on the call? Should we continue?
Yes, yes, yes.
All right, we'll just proceed to prototype the app. So we'll just click on, since we did not make any changes, we just click on prototype and it starts building for us. So the app has started building. So you can just chill and just watch whatever you are doing come to life. Just chill. If it's Pepsi you want to go and buy and chill while you watch your idea come to life. So if you see people win hackathons or win competitions, it's not necessarily that they know how to code and all that, or they know they are one coding genius. No, you basically just have to have the idea and just know the right combination of tools. Emphasis on combination. Like use different AI tools. There's a particular AI tool that will generate the idea. There's another AI tool that will do this. 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 So all that is what essentially like define the output. So don't be whenever you see an hackathon again, don't be scared. Just go. You just tell them that I learned how to. I'm a Teenovator. I know how to use AI tools to create. So we'll just wait. So it is reasoning. It has drafted the blueprint for the app. So look at the blueprint it is suggesting. Okay, so it has started building. So can you see it has started writing code? Can you see? So this should take about 15 minutes or honest.
No, it won't take 15 minutes. If you have a good network, I think one
No,
to 2 minutes is fine.
my network is fast. My network is fast. Don't worry, it's chill.
1 minute is fine for this to finish.
Okay, let's just wait and see. So the code is you can see the movement on my screen now.
Emphasis on what Shazili said. If you are going to a hackathon and you want to win while prototyping with AI, if I'm participating in that hackathon, make sure you don't win.
I'll
Make
kill
sure you don't
myself.
win. Let me win. Uh, so it will be done a few a few seconds now. All right, it is done. So
Minus na mumu the code.
okay now, you dey call us mumu wey dey code. No wahala.
All right, I think the app is done. Let's look at. I think I need to refresh my screen because everywhere on the hang. Okay, so I'm just refreshing my screen. My progress is there. Don't worry. So you can see it gave it the name agroscan. You can see it gave it the name
All right.
agroscan. So there is an error, right? But it will be the same AI that will fix the error. So I'll just click on fix error, and then it will fix the error. Someone said, I can't see your screen yet too. I joined not quite long. Are you still facing that issue? Like, are you still facing that issue? You are not able to see my screen. Is the person still on the call? Okay, it's our network. Okay, all
It's
right,
probably the person's network.
all right. So
Okay,
yeah,
not just one person. I think two or more people are not seeing your screen. I don't know.
two,
Maybe you should
um,
maybe you
how many
should
people can see
unshare
my
and
screen?
reshare.
How many people can see my screen? Okay. Maybe they joined. Okay. Wait, let me just I'll just do that. You should be able to see my screen now, can you?
I think if you are experiencing that issue, there is a window. There is part of the users on this call. You can find two Sani Shazilis. So it should be the second Sani Shazili, not the first one. There is one that is for his voice and one for his screen. So click on the one for his screen and you will see his screen. We can all see it. So
Can can
you got
can you guys see my screen now?
Yes, yes.
And the people who
so
have the error can see it.
Okay, let me just confirm on the group. Let me check the message. Okay, okay, you can see it. Okay, all right. So here is what we just built now. So this idea has been brought to life from prompt to, so he said agroscan. So
so
these are the okay, Anas, just continue.
Okay. So if this is our first prompt, you can edit it, give it features, give it animations. You can add AI to it. Let's even do it. It should be interesting. So Shazili, prompt it to just if you can think of an AI feature, give tell it to add it. But if you cannot think of an AI feature, just tell it to add an AI feature it thinks will be fit for the app.
So someone
So
someone should suggest an AI feature. Someone on the call should suggest an
uh,
AI feature.
someone apart from Hassan gave us the idea. So
Oh yeah,
someone
how
else
to
should give
read
us
it?
an AI feature.
Someone should just say anything.
Hmm?
How to
Um.
read it?
Okay. Taiwo is raising up their hand.
Yeah, you can proceed now.
Your screen, yes.
Type the AI feature on the chat screen.
Hello. Hello.
We can
I
hear
can't
you.
see
We
your
can
screen
hear
yet.
Yeah, we can hear you.
I can't see your screen yet, please.
you can see my screen. So
Can
it means that you are not viewing the right screen. You have to navigate and check 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 everybody on the call. You definitely see my screen. I'm sharing my screen.
okay.
Maybe you are looking at what
Shaz,
are those what are those that are showing? I think I need to pin my this thing out.
Shazili, someone sent a text.
Okay, all right. An AI feature that checks the level of acidity in the soil. Okay, okay. Let's just do this as a chat bot, such that such that okay. I'll just tell it to add a chat bot, such that and then it will use that idea. Mm, just bear
I
with me. Oh.
think this context is out of the app.
Just hold on. Hey, just hold on. My laptop is hanging. I'm streaming. I'm live streaming to YouTube and doing many things at the same time. Okay. Um, I'm just trying to like switch my tab to the. Just give me some minutes. Okay.
So those of you that can't see his screen, I think you should look for there will be two Sani Shazilis. One will be normal Sani Shazili and one will be Sani Shazili's screen. So you should click on Sani Shazili's screen, not Sani Shazili. Bro, Shazili, we cannot see your screen.
Shaz is muted. Shaz is muted.
I'm muted. Can you hear me now?
Yes, we cannot see your screen. Just move
Okay.
to the agro scan.
I
Move to
think
the agro scan screen.
I'm trying to move there. Um, I think this. Okay, okay. I've seen it. I've seen it. Okay, all right.
It's at the second. Mhm. So add the
So
feature and let's
here
move
is
on.
okay. Add an AI feature that checks. Okay, let me just say an AI chatbot feature.
Chatbot and feature. Chatbot
Okay,
and feature. Yeah,
okay,
something like
okay.
that.
This is not real, so you have to simulate it. Like there is no actual sensor that will sense the water level, the or whatever. So basically, we just tell the AI to like respond to us and okay, let me just okay.
How about you add something like an irrigation advisor as an AI? The app is
Okay,
related to
okay, that's
irrigation.
fantastic. That's fantastic. Okay, I think I've sent
Yeah,
that prompt already.
add it under this. Let's say like together with these charts. Okay,
I already sent it already.
okay. We
We'll
sent it
just
already, so you have seen.
let's just hold on. That will be the after that. After this we'll just add that idea and then we'll just move on to Google AI Studio.
So there is a fun fact about this Firebase Studio. Those of us who still like coding manually or want to push this to our GitHub or something. On the top right on the top right corner where you see publish question mark and the code icon. Shazli, you don't click on it. I'm just using it as an illustration. When you click on the code icon, when you click on the code icon, it will take you to an actual VS Code on your browser. So it is like a VS Code, an IDE, where you can still have this chatbot and still have your VS Code on it. So you can publish to GitHub, you can type your codes manually, do things do things you want to do manually.
I think it's telling me to
And
add
here
my
you can see, yeah, you can auto generate the Gemini API key.
Just auto generate it.
So by clicking on auto generate, it's already by itself as an agent, it goes to your Google AI Studio and generates an API key for the AI to work. So it's actually making the AI work perfectly, not just a dummy AI.
Can you
You
explain
can
what an
create a
API
full
key
AI
is?
on it. Yeah. So API keys are tokens. They are like, for example, in a simple explanation, let's say I want to get something from I want to get something from Canada. So like it is a connector, something you can ask, something that can help you get that product that you want without actually going there. So it's like you want something, but you don't want to go there physically. You don't want to go there by yourself. So an API key is something that can help you get things, something that can help you do things automatically. Something
Sorry, the screen
how
is
do I put
black.
it?
Okay. Can everyone see my screen now?
No, no.
Definitely. Can anybody see my screen? Can someone see my screen?
I can see your screen.
So it means that it's definitely from somebody. Check everybody on the call. You are not viewing the right. Is there a way I can pin my screen for everybody to see?
I don't think you can pin your screen. I think you should look for your name and click on it.
You just have to scroll through and look for my name and click on it.
Like it is the thing is actually showing Sunny Shazili's screen, but mine here is actually just black. I'm not seeing anything.
Yakub, can you see the screen?
No, like I'm there already, but I'm not seeing anything. It's not showing anything from my hand.
Not showing. It's from your side. It's your network actually. Others can see.
Oh, oh, yeah. Okay. I'm gonna try and
Are you sure you are viewing Shazili's screen? Like not
yes.
just
Try to rejoin.
Teenovator.
Try to rejoin.
Thank you.
Shazzy, pin your screen, please, or like
Is there?
make it
I'm not
show
seeing.
as.
I'm not seeing a way I can pin my screen.
Okay,
Okay.
okay, just go on, just go on.
I'm coming. Let me check the settings. I cannot see any.
Okay,
I
just go
cannot.
on.
I just have to continue. So yeah, that's it. So let's check our AI chatbot that was created. Where is it to?
Soil
So this,
analysis.
yeah,
Yes.
I'm clicking on soil analysis. It's not clicking. So whatever is not working, you just have to prompt the AI and tell it.
It
Um,
wait.
this okay. I think it was
I,
it was loading.
hmm.
Okay, can we?
Yeah.
Anas and
Hmm?
Shaz, can you guys hear me? Can you guys hear me?
Yeah, we can.
Yes.
Yes, there are features on this app that enables them to be able to edit some of the feature that inside the app. So if you see that like your top right of the app, you see the top right of the app, you can be able to select other feature that will enable you to edit stuffs in the app. Then you now prompt it to say that yes, I want to change this, I want to change this. And even if you cannot do that, you can always screenshot that part of the app that you want to change and prompt the AI to make improvements based on what you noticed. You guys get.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. I actually forgot to mention that.
All right.
Shazi, do you understand what he's talking about?
Yes,
On the
yes, yes.
preview, this top thing, yeah. But just try using the AI.
So let's test whether the AI works. It's not working. So let's debug.
Check, yeah. Um, and if we debug it 2 to 3 times and it does not work, we can just move to Google AI Studio because we don't have enough time to debug it yet.
All right, all right. But yeah, that's just the point. This alone is enough to wow judges at the hackathon. Like this, you implementing this alone is enough to wow judges, and then being able to pitch your idea. So let's it has the I just prompted it again that it was not working, so I can ask now. Um, let's see whether it responds. So can
Yeah,
can can we see that it responds?
perfect.
Hey there, I am ready to help you analyze your soil health data. I have information on pH acidity for the north field, west field, or whatever. So basically, this you build this like you building your own AI now.
Yes. This is actually, it can help you
This
build your own machine models, and
so so
it
um
can
basically with this you can win a hackathon of 1 million naira, like by just prompting AI.
When
one
I'm
million
there,
is
they
too small.
play.
Sir.
Hey, who said that?
Yes,
Okay, so yeah, that's basically the point. Like this is what's the time? Let's calculate the time. We started.
this is 5:20. We started
Let's
by
check.
4:30. Let's move to.
No. I mean, like, I wanted to say that we built this app in less than
I've
one
used
hour.
50 minutes.
So 50
Oh,
minutes, right? So meaning that when you go for an hackathon, a 24 hours hackathon, I don't care the amount of time they give you, right? So you can always prototype very, very fast. In 30 minutes, you can build something. So I'm sure we like the amount of time we actually spent on building this is just um it's
It's
just
less than
like
20 minutes.
it's less than 20 minutes exactly. So yeah, that's the point. That's how fast you can build fast with AI. So Anas, what next? Should we
so
publish?
let's
Should
move to.
we test or something? Okay, let's click on publish.
We,
Right?
we would we would take questions and answers, but it will be at the ending of the call, so it won't waste too much time.
All right. So
So
next, what
I
is
don't think let's just move to AI Studio. This publish would have to use Google Cloud, and we don't have a Google Cloud account. You
let me
see,
check.
don't
Okay, but you
don't
can share.
publish.
You
Let's
can
move to
share
Google
the
AI
idea.
Studio.
Okay, let's just share
Yeah,
the
you
preview
can.
links.
You no okay. Should we push it to GitHub and publish to Vessel?
Okay, let's just
She eventually use Vercel, but let's first see how it is live.
all right.
Okay,
So
Shazili, click on the VS Code icon, the code icon at the top right. Yes, you can publish if you have Google Cloud, and if even if you don't have Google Cloud, you can publish it on something like Vercel, Cloudflare
okay,
by
is there a
using
button
this
for that?
VS Code. You can see this is just like your VS Code. Then
Okay, you
publish
can
it,
just continue
click
building here.
on then publish branch and go to Vercel, then push. So it is easy for you to publish anywhere you want to publish it, whether Vercel, Cloudflare, or anything.
So I think the easiest for now, if we haven't covered how to publish it after you build it here, the easiest for now is just for hackathons. You can just share the link and say, okay, here is the link of whatever I built, and yeah, that's it. So most times you just have to submit your link. So let me move
So
to
let's
let's so that's
Google
that
AI
for
Studio.
Google AI Studio. So we can just move on to we should move on to Google AI Studio, right? Okay.
Yes.
Um, Google AI Studio.
So Google AI Studio is the latest one by Google, and it is very intelligent to a sense that it thinks of features by itself that your app needs and adds it, and you just need to click on that prompt and it will add the feature by itself. So Shazzy, you click on build.
So once you're at Google AI Studio, you just click on this button, build. You click on build, and when you're at build, you have this interface.
So use the go back to the chat and click on no, it is not better than Firebase. Depends on what you want. Every AI has its where it is very good at and where it is not good at. So it is not that it is better than Firebase. It has its advantages. Firebase Studio Firebase Studio is good in some places and Google AI Studio is good in some places. I can't say specifically where, but you will know when you use both of them. So Shazili, can you go back to the
Anas,
chat and
allow. Postpone their questions. Tell them to note their questions to after the.
yeah,
But
I said it minutes
I
ago.
don't I don't see any reason why they should postpone their questions. We can just go on. We can just go on while they are asking the question. Can you
Okay,
still not see
Shazili,
my screen?
can you go back to the second prompt? The prompt before is it before Hassan's prompt or after Hassan's prompt? And let's
Someone
use it
said,
as the one for
someone
Google AI
said,
Studio.
here I come, hackathons.
Don't worry, if I'm in that hackathon, you are not winning it.
Don't mind them. Oh. You know the secret now, so you can definitely.
I'll cast you. If you are in that hackathon, I'll
I
cast
think
you.
I saw one. The person talk about okay, I think this is it. A digital diary
Yes,
that
yes.
to save. Okay, so let's copy that. Hey, laptop respond though. Okay, good. So here
So
is it.
wait, can you scroll down? Don't build yet. Can you scroll down? Yeah, you can add features to your apps here. In this supercharge your apps with AI. You can choose features, scroll, analyze images, do this. You can choose a lot of features. But we cannot do it later. So let's just prompt since we don't know what feature to add yet.
This is interesting.
Interesting, right? Just build and see the
Okay,
magic.
but let's
Yes,
add.
yeah, Chinedu, they are free for now. So the thing is, all these things are preview features. Um, Google built. So when they receive enough feedbacks, they will turn it to a paid thing. So you just have to take advantage of it before they turn it to paid. Just build a lot, build no matter how many you can build before they turn it to a pro, before they turn it to a pro plan. So they are free, yes. Shazili, let's go back and build. I will be speaking as you build. About credits, this does not use your Gemini credits. It has its own credit. In Firebase Studio, for example, when you're building a project, the credits never end, but it has a limit of 10 projects. You can only build 10 projects for free. So, and in that 10 projects, you can give it a million prompts. You can give it 2 million prompts. It does not care as long as you are limited to 10 projects. But Google AI Studio, I also don't think it has a limit of prompts. So they all don't have limits. They don't have credit limits. They might, or maybe
And
they have
I think
project
I
limits,
think
but not
they have
credit
limits.
limits.
They have budget limits. You can only create
They
two
have
projects, then you can limit.
Firebase Studio. Firebase Studio has 10 project limits, but Google AI Studio, I don't know about it yet. So maybe it is what you said. So, Chinedu, you want to create new Gmail after every 10 projects? And no wahala now. When Google will ban you. Oh, thank you, Nestor.
All
I
this
didn't know
fraud.
that. All these frauds, when I don't use and tete.
It's
No
totally
wahala.
allowed. It's totally allowed. You can build. You can don't mind them. You can, as much as possible. You can just manipulate things as much as it is still legal and under um.
Okay, Nestor, thank you for the information. I think your live stream is not fast streaming.
Yeah, it's totally normal. That's how YouTube does.
Yeah, I can relate. Let's move.
So it's building right now. So the idea we prompted it with is building. So it's telling me to. I think it's
Yeah,
done. It's done building.
allow. Nice. Wait, can
So
you view
can
the app in
we?
full screen?
Okay.
Full screen.
How do I a full screen?
Yes.
So this is what we just
Sharp.
built in full. So the person said let's
So
let's go back to the prompt. The person said let me go back to the prompt. Okay, the person said a digital diary that is used to save memories or document journals, but like a Twitter thread. Let's say you can document your year in it, but it appears like a Twitter thread. You can edit the date and add as much as pictures. Okay, so let's test what we just built. I think this is actually interesting.
yeah,
Okay,
new entry.
new entry. This is what. Don't don't mind my time, okay? Can you see? Can you
I
see?
don't
You've
know
done
which
that.
country. Shazi, when did you move to another country?
Don't worry, yeah. I'm coming back to Nigeria soon. So this is I can select the date, right? This is beautifully built with AI, bro. So I think I can set the time. Okay, let me just check. So what time are we? You can as well edit it such that it will take the correct time, 5:29. I think we are in PM, right? Okay. So you can let's okay, what should we post? We are okay today. today we are having a
Benedict, you want to steal someone's prompt? Nice one.
an AI build session at Teenovators Lab. As the okay, I think I've
Okay,
resumed live. I've resumed.
let's continue.
All right.
Nice prompt, Hassan and Nestor.
Okay, so it's
Nestor
just
is
it just
just
reflected it just reflected. So just like your year up, this is just like I think I understand it. This is just like you building you have an application and then you post every day. Like whatever you do, you just keep posting every day, and then this AI will do your year up for you. So you look at what he did now. Since you provided one entry from early January, I have interpreted it as the genesis of your year. Based on the settings of okay, the year 2026 begins with not with a resolution but with a spark of
yeah,
creation.
yeah, 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 yeah,
Why
yeah,
is
yeah.
so good?
Sharp, sharp, sharp.
Atmosphere art. This makes sense.
I
This makes
think
sense.
all these things,
So,
like all these things, can be improved.
Shazin,
Imagine you allow like
Shazin,
photos.
Yeah,
Shazin,
what
close the yes. And now there's something I want to show you guys. You can see in the chat box, you can add different features. Just scroll through the features and click on one of them, the suggestions. So
what is
if you are empty, like let's say your mind is empty on features, you can just look for one out of these suggestions and add it, and it will be a great add to your website. And it keeps giving you features to add, keeps giving you features. So it's
someone
like
should someone should tell
it's
us a
never
feature to someone should tell us a feature to add.
prompt this one first. You can type
Allow
a
the
feature
app
if you
to
have
be
any
able to
suggestion.
accept images. Allow the app to be able to accept images. Then,
Yes,
so that when you
it's
are
affecting
reflecting on your
image
year,
now. Okay, it should
It
be
no,
able
when
accepts
you
to
are
images
reflecting,
now.
yes, it's able to give you like images of, like as an answer to your reflection of the year, instead of just text.
okay.
It gives text like
Okay,
that.
so it gives so you should give text and images.
Yes, because people like seeing images as a reflection of their year. People want to say,
Okay,
"I went to this place. I went to this
so you
place."
should have okay image generation. I understand. Sign in page. That so about that sign in page, it will need authentication, and going through authentication is not something we can do today. You have to go to Firebase or any backend app, backend software, and enable authentication. So that will be something hard. I'm sorry for that. You can try it, Chinedu, you can try it somewhere else. Let's say on your own projects, but it will take time if we are doing it. If we are doing it by ourselves.
Okay, now okay, it just build and then the data of the this thing is gone. So we have to create a new entry. Wait, let's add a feature. Let's say add image response
Image
response.
generation. I think image generation together with the
Okay,
text generation. Or what does it mean?
yes, image generation response to alongside the text. This is actually like I've not really explored this Google AI Studio because I don't really fancy it. But this is actually like making sense a whole lot. So I can usually build anything with this. So add image generation response to alongside the text. And what other features should we add?
If you have a feature, type it. I once built a project on this. A game, a game that reads your it reads from your hand. You use your hand to control that game with Google AI Studio. You can do a lot with it.
Okay, wait, someone
Understand?
is saying
We'll
something.
catch.
Sign in page to save data in
No,
case of lost
I
device.
said sign in page won't work today, Shazili.
Yeah, yeah, we don't need sign in page for now.
It won't work today because it is an authentication something and it will take time.
All right. So we are running the last.
But the interesting part is that you guys can you hear me? Firebase Studio can enable authentication for you. It can enable authentication for you in one prompt by itself. You don't have to go and do it manually. Firebase Studio will do that. You can just tell it to enable authentication and it will create a Firebase project, go by itself, go to the settings and enable everything automatically. It is something interesting, very interesting. You can just try it on your Firebase Studio.
All right, this is our new. Okay, wait. Let's see whether it has finished building. Okay, it is not done yet. Let's just hold on. It's not.
I've said it and I will say it again. If I catch you in hackathon and you are using this, I go cast you. So you won't win me in my hackathon. Hackathons are meant for me to win.
All right, I think it's done. Am I muted?
So
Okay, I'm not
let's
muted.
continue.
Okay. So let's see whether it works. So let me add a new entry. Okay. Let me say I am feeling energized today.
Yes, Esther, you can copy code and paste it on VS Code, and you can export it to VS Code by downloading it. You can publish it, you can save it to GitHub, you can download it, you can copy it, and you can copy a code from from VS Code and add it here and tell it to implement that code. Any just anything you think it can do, and anything you think it can do, just try doing it and see. If it tells
Wait,
you
what is
this is not possible, then it is actually not possible. But it can do any like
Shaz, you
things
know add
you
image.
don't even think of.
I added two images. Let's see.
Fine boy.
Don't mention. That's how you are fine in California.
You don't
Uh
have to whine him. He's on a call. You don't have to whine him.
Shazuli is in California. Okay, okay. California
You
Bariga.
living in Nigeria. I think
California
I
or
think
Bariga. Hmm?
no, you
Is
don't say Bariga, you say Barrigs.
Oh,
Barrigs,
is that a bug?
California. Yeah, there is a
Okay,
bug. Let me just
Barrix, California.
after so whatever happens, what you just need to do is prompt it again. After uploading, I just saw a blank screen. Please fix it. I experienced this when I added two images. So you should be able to fix that now, and then we'll be able to like test it and ensure that it works.
The thing is, your prompt is your app. If your prompt is good, your app will be good. If you don't know how to prompt, you won't build a good app. So just become a good prompter. And Shazili, you know what to do?
Yeah, it's
Um,
showing.
mute mute YouTube. Just like go to the tab, like right click on the tab and mute YouTube. So it won't
No,
affect
no,
anything.
no. I'm playing YouTube on my phone. I'm doing something. Just give me like
Okay,
I
okay,
know
okay.
you guys just have to like I want to like send another message on the group. So
Have you taken have you taken screenshots, Shazili?
I I think I have. Wait, let me take a screenshot again. But I think I've taken it.
Yeah, it's enough if you have taken.
Yes, just hold on. Let me just okay, I just took another one. But I have to save it. I'm coming.
It's already on your screenshot now.
Okay. Well, I need to save it to my mail.
Also, also take on the Firebase Studio and Google AI Studio.
So we can as well we can just go to the YouTube and refer back
Oh
to it.
yeah. Oh, yeah. No wala, no wala. Just
I
let's
don't I
continue
don't
going.
think it's necessary to take any. We can just go to YouTube and take the screenshot.
No wala. Just
All right.
continue then.
Okay. So let's test what we just built now. Which tab is it? Okay, here is it.
Are the watermark logos? Evans, sorry, I don't understand what you mean.
So let's create our first entry. Um, don't mind my time zone. Don't mind my time zone. I'm in California. That's why you are seeing that time.
Barrix, California.
No go change your
Barrix,
laptop.
Barrix, California. So let's test it. Um, live at Barrix, California, California, chilling and listening and vibing to code
Anas, provide link to the Google AI Studio on.
Yeah,
at the
I'm doing it
Teenovators
currently.
at the Teenovators Labs AI build session.
No,
Vibe
Evans,
code.
they don't
Uh,
have watermarks. So the only watermark is, if it's not that you manually edited some things. Every vibe coded app has where someone would know this is vibe coded. So there's no watermark. There's nothing that will show this was built by Google AI Studio. There are no watermarks there.
okay, I
Do you
think
understand,
okay.
Evans?
It still did not generate a
Maybe the
image,
prompt
but
was
yeah,
not as good. Maybe the prompt was not as
okay.
good.
Is your
I think we
prompt? Is
should.
your
It's
prompt?
it's already 6 o'clock. It's already
It's
six
no,
o'clock.
what
Let's
I mean
just let's
when I
just
bring
move.
in people. Okay, yeah, okay. What next? What next?
Let's can you let's try Vessel. Let's just push this to GitHub and host it on Vessel.
All right, then. So right now I'm prompting it to host on Vessel. So Vessel is where you can host your website. So when you share it with somebody, they can see the link. So I'm trying to so I'm telling the AI that okay, I want to host on Vessel now. We are finalize everything. So I won't have don't mind my prompts. Don't worry, your prompt does not have to be very, very don't worry, we don't spell correctly in Barrix. Just vibe, now.
Maybe you never go school now. Why?
Anas, I'm in barracks too, so it's not as if they don't go school. They don't have good schools.
I know. You never. It's not that you don't have good schools. You know good school, especially in your sins. Have you go school?
All right, I think it's doing the final touch, so we can just sit back, chill, and think for the things we can deploy. So once we deploy, we can just
Okay.
okay.
It has done it. Let's just deploy.
All right.
Well, click on
Um,
click on the GitHub button. Yeah, installing.
you tell him to use the password, just chill. Okay, I have to use my password on my phone.
All right. Public. Yeah. Repository name. Live threads.
This is actually interesting. I can
Very
just read it
interesting.
personally.
Or repository name. Repository name.
Okay, I caught it. Sorry.
Okay. Stage and commit.
So here is just pushing our code to GitHub, and once we have it on GitHub, we
Done.
can we can then publish,
Now
right?
vessel. Now vessel.
So
Let's push.
once we have it on GitHub, then we can come to Vessel and push.
So
Then we'll
explain
have
what vessel is.
okay. Vessel is a platform where you can host your code. So after you code it, you want to share what you can see. You want to share it with other people to see it, right? So Vessel is the application that will give you that link. So first of all use GitHub to host. Host means to store your code. So that code you first of all store it in GitHub. GitHub will store your code, and then Vessel will take that code and deploy it such that everybody on the internet, like anywhere in the world, can access and view your project. So now I am at Vessel and I want to deploy my code. I'll just click on project. If I click on project,
So
I'll click on can you see that we can see it here live thread? Can we see it? Because I've connected my vessel to my GitHub, can we see it? Live thread. So I'll just click on import. Once I import and
so
here, okay.
then deploy.
So I'll just click on deploy. So if there is an error, I'll
So
go back to
vess
GenAI Studio to fix it.
so vessel is used for if you don't have the money to host to a live link like your like livethreads.com, livethreads.io. Even if you don't have the funds, you can just deploy to vessel. It's a free hosting service. So they help you manage it and it makes your website very fast. So they help you manage it before you get your payments, before you get your money. So you can see it as
So
deployed. Let's view our website.
so we can I will share the link. Hey, I just say it shows so I just show it now.
GitHub pages.
If you just say
So
like
the thing is,
20
GitHub
words.
pages does not host. I think GitHub pages does not show React listing. React projects. It does not show React. And this project, I think thinking
Is
like
fine.
it is a React project. So the top pages won't show React project. I think it's only for HTML and CSS.
So the project actually deployed, but there is an error. So I can just copy the error.
Yeah, render would do. Render would do. You can deploy in render. You can deploy in
Are you speaking to?
Cloudflare. Yeah, I'm speaking to people that are asking questions. Yes,
Okay,
it does.
you can just start taking their questions now, so we can round up.
Um, GitHub pages cannot be used because it is a React project. Render will do. Cloudflare will do. Vessel does improve the SEO. Yes.
It is not
So
currently showing, but it has deployed.
yeah, go to AI Studio and fix it.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
Okay. Then you click on the GitHub and push it again.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
it will synchronize the change and
did I just hear Hop Nepa? We don't experience here. We don't experience that here in Barracks, California.
uh, is it true? Wait, my next cancellation did not make me hear that. Oh, no, it's true. I'll be back online now.
Funny how it came from your own mic.
I did not hear anything. Noise cancellation is stopping me from hearing background noises. You know,
Wow.
when you are using an expensive something I bought for millions of
I'm, al-
naira,
I'm also
I
using that same. I'm also using that same earpod.
calm down, guy. Calm down.
Okay, okay.
Now,
So I think that's it. Let's.
don't worry, no, no cast me too much.
All right. So I've recommitted the changes. So all I need to do is go back to Vessel and go to deployment. So okay, it is building now. Let's check whether we
You
will
can,
okay, it's
yeah, it is ready. Now
so
check it.
let's check. Oh, still did not show.
Hmm? Whatever, the connection.
So let's inspect it. Why is it not showing? Let's go back to console.
You can just tell AI Studio that the when you deploy to Vessel, the website is not visible. It only shows a white blank screen. It will fix it. So don't let me cry.
All right, I've sent it. This is interesting. How is your 2020? Why is it showing 2024? Okay. Oh,
Some AI, some AI, some AI chatbots, some AI agents still think we are in the past years. Because I did something recently and it was giving the copyright 2024. And I was like, how? They have not even built you in 2024. But I think you just have to feed them enough information.
all right, all right. So you can just do we can do well with it. Let's just see that it deploys and we can round up. Is there any other question?
And I have an announcement to make. So if you have a question, you can ask. Okay, deploy. Okay, it is not done yet. So I would leave now and join on my laptop.
You don't have to leave. Just join with your laptop.
Okay.
Okay, all right. I think it is done. You just push to GitHub.
About that signing page, it will need authentication,
Okay.
and
That's
you
push.
something we can do today. You have to go to Firebase or any backend software and enable authentication. So that will be something hard. I'm sorry for that. You can try it. You can try it somewhere else. Let's say on your own projects.
I think it still has the same issue. But yeah, it's something that can be fixed with iterations, just back-to-back iterations. You'll be able to like fix it, and then your website will be live. Like from that, you're able to see. Uh, oh, it actually caught an API key. You know, you're not meant to send an API key to. So I think we have to redeploy manually. But yeah, that's the point. We can just round up now. We've we've done justice to.
Okay. Yes, we can.
Am I still on the call? Am I still on the call? Can anybody hear me? Am I still on the call? Can anybody hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
All right, all right.
Um okay, so I am listening to your questions, please. If you have if you have any question, we would end the call now, and it's almost time for iftar. I'm fasting. Shazili, do you want to keep debugging?
Anas, did you hear me? You can end the
What did
call.
you say?
You can round up. You can round up.
Okay, so this brings us to the
Yes,
end.
it can be used
Uh,
to build a portfolio. Someone is asking a question. Please answer it.
okay.
Yeah.
Yes, yes. It can be used. It can be used to build portfolio. Yes, it can be used to build anything. As long as it is a software, it can be used to build it. You can use it to build a lot. You can build games, you can build apps, you can build mobile apps, you can build like applications, let's say for Android or applications for iPhone. That one, but that is on Firebase Studio. Firebase Studio has the features to build with Flutter, and Flutter is for building mobile apps. You can build with React Native. You can build with Go programming language, any programming language you want. You can build portfolios and a lot. And Benedict, Vessel can be used for building AIs. Yes, yes, it can. But there is something we have not gone through on this call. You know, but I don't think we can. It will take time because you have to. That is what needs your Google Cloud. accounts, you would get your API key from AI Studio, then connect it to your vessel. So when you connect it to your vessel, I think you can learn. I can give the steps on that on the group chat later. So you get your API key, then add it to your vessel, then your AI will be working perfectly. Any more questions? You are welcome, Esther. I'm looking forward to many more sessions, physical ones.
So yeah, you can round up. You can round up. We are done now.
Okay. So um tomorrow we are starting our call for team members. So if you feel you are a good fit to become one of the Teenovator Labs team members, the call for team members is for you. Just head on to the link, fill the form, and we'll get back to you in 2 weeks max if you are a good fit to join the team. Thank you for making this session a success. We would not have done it without you. We will be in touch on the
You
groups.
can ask them for parting words if they would want to.
For what? Ask them.
Yeah,
Honestly.
they can. Maybe they want to say something, any question, feedback, or whatever. I know we'll still send the feedback from right, but you can just allow them to.
All right. If you heard what he said, you can, if you want to speak, if you have any feedback or anything to say, you can speak. We are willing to listen.
All right. In the absence of none, we'll just round up. Just you can close the event, honest. Just give
All
us a
right.
parting and we can call it a day.
Thank you so much for joining. Thank you for everything. Thank
Yeah,
you,
it's assisting
Teenovators.
on the
I'm
call. If
looking
you
forward.
assist on the
When you
call,
build something, please, anything you build, you can please send the link to the group chat so we can review
and, and,
what you
and
did.
and if you find the session insightful, helping, you can as well just maybe take a screenshot of this and then tag us or write an article or whatever. You can just make a post about it and tag Teenovators Lab on LinkedIn, on Instagram, on you can just make a post and tag us. We'll definitely appreciate that.
All right. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Victor. Thank you, Benedict. Thank you, Chinedu. Um, you can leave the call now. I'm leaving. Goodbye.
Bye everyone.
Thank you, Nestor. Thank you, Evans.
I see when it from the beginning. Okay, our LinkedIn handles. You can just search for Teenovators Lab. You see us on LinkedIn. Yeah, you're welcome. You're welcome. We are Teenovators Labs on all social media platforms. All right, that's it. Bye for now.